Welcome to the Virginia Musical Museum in Williamsburg, Virginia. This place had an amazing array of pieces and exhibitions of musical instruments and a vast selection on musicians that originated in Virginia. You enter through a piano store where folks are taking music classes and stuff, but once you pay your admission, you are entered into a room showcasing circus and amusement park musical instruments and gadgets, as well as music boxes, juke boxes, and Nickelodeons. There are rare instruments like one of only two in existence, a 1770 or 1790 Joshua Schutte harpsichord. There is a staircase with stringed instruments lining it, and it opens up to their organ, phonograph, and musical toys galleries, which include a monkey organ grinder, Edison's first tinfoil machine example, and a nightmare fuel of a piece in the form of the first talking doll. Then there is the Virginian Music Hall of Fame, showcasing memorabilia and personal effects from musical names large and small that had ties to the Commonwealth of Virginia. There is a staircase descending into the rest of the Hall of Fame where you end on Wayne Newton's 1978 Clinette Coachworks Roadster. There is a chairlift type elevator if you need a step-free option, and a small gift shop with postcards and t-shirts at the end if that's your bag. See the links below to the museum's main page, their donation page, and a Wikipedia page on the museum, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.